Hello, beautiful people and future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine where I will be doing 5 minutes of typing exercise and then 25 coding or learning of. Okay, I'm not doing that. SASS tutorial. All right. Also not my favorite, but I will do it. So let's jump to the typing straight away, shall we? Start the time, log the mouse, go. Oh crap. Okay, so we will delete that. Maybe do it again. Okay. Well, it kind of felt that I did not did so many mistakes, so I'm curious how this feeling translates to the error. And I had 3%. It's not bad, but I can do better, I'm sure. I would like to be, under the 1% all the time, but that's just my wish. I can train it, right? Okay, so this guy, v, that guy, instance variable set. Here's add that guy, v, that guy underscore value, nil. Oh crap. So let's see. No. Association methods plus multi-value methods close each this guy, that guy, v, that guy, instance variable set. And now here's this v values. Those that sequence is hard. That sequence is hard. Extensions, and I'm out of the time, so bye, you go. And I will open what? The SASS tutorial. So, right. SASS Playground, and I almost positives. I have that one open in. I'm doing that on the V3 Schools tutorial. Oh, I'm terminated. So here's the README. What do I see? Uh, ah, okay. So we'll stop this time, start the another one. That's the first step. Now I see I did not commit what I did previously, so I'll fix that. Plus, I don't like the structure of the MD file, how it is. So I will delete those lines. This can stay as it is. This link is nice, I like as well. Uh, but here I will reformat that. I think I used 4 or something, and this will be not last section. This will be next to do or continue in. I like that more. And here we will say what we will be doing next. So there's an intro, and I will just say here SASS tutorial intro. Yep, sounds good to me. Now, there are some files which are not added to the Git, so I will do that. Here we go. What is this? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. You know what? I will add it uh, to the project, and if it's problematic, I will find out later, I guess. Now I want to do commit, and oh, wait a moment. I will have a look if I have uh, any of the comments in here. So I will have a look in log, and there's freaking nothing. So this is initial comment, funny as it is. So initial commit like that. There are a lot of files. 6. Okay, so I don't need those. Commit. Cool. And I think I will share that as well. Control Shift K, and there's no remote defined, so we'll fix that definitely. Git share. Not really sharing because this will be private, as almost all of my learning projects. There's no point in sharing them really publicly. Well, what I mean, people will probably not benefit just looking at the random crap. Okay, so we have a V3 schools, and I was doing the intro. So, well, I can definitely go to the MD file I was doing, and I forgot something else, and that is I wanted to put in the V3 schools. Okay, so that is one thing, and here I will call it progress or V3 school progress or something such. So I will do V3 schools SASS progress and do the refactor. Okay. And I like the small commit, so I will do uh, a rename of v3 schools whose as a tutorial progress file. Yeah, like that. That is descriptive, maybe too much. Okay, so we have the SCSS file in here, which I would like to open. Thank you. Maybe I'm not sure if I want to have it like stacked. So group, that was not the group tabs, that was file nesting. Okay, so I don't want it at this moment. I want to just this. So this is no, this red file is what I'm writing, and those two guys are generated somehow by my mighty IntelliJ, I guess. So I will have a look in uh, the intro HTML. There's almost nothing in here. Okay, so back to the MD file. We can visit the link which I saved here and go from there. Manage consent. I agree. Apparently with everything without reading it, which should be no harm to me whatsoever, right? Ha ha ha. Okay, so there are some example, but we are in the home section and I was doing the SASS intro. So there's some like history and stuff which no one cares about that much. A simple example why SASS is useful. Uh, Three main colors, so that's what we did. I believe we defined the variables and then we used it. And then we are transpiling them. IntelliJ does it for me, and it looks like that is everything in here. So we will proceed to the next thing, and that will be installation. Okay, so I will create a folder to track the progress. So I will do here, I will do directory, and I will say what it was, installation, SASS installation. So I will call it just O3 installation, not to be simple, right? O3 installation, like so. And we go in here and read. So there's some requirements. Operating system, browser, and programming language. SASS is based on Ruby. Wow, that's interesting. Wow, that's interesting. Okay. Read more about SASS at the official website. So that I can do. So I will open it. And there is install. There are several ways how to install SASS into your system. There are many applications that will get you up and running with SASS in a few minutes for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Some these are free, but some are paid apps. I think I already have some paid app, which is doing it for me. I mean, if I go here, I did not even have to install anything and it already works. So a win for me, I guess. So you go by, you go by. Maybe I can look at you next time. And this is really quick progress. Look at me. I'm how I go. So the next section is variables. So I will create directory and now we are on the 4 and that was variables. Okay, so we are section variables. Let's go back and I suppose we will do here something. So variables are a way to store information that you can reuse later. With SASS, you can store information in variables like string, numbers, colors, boolean, list, nulls. Nulls? Okay. SASS uses the dollar symbol followed by a name to declare variables. So SASS variable syntax and so on. Okay, so I will try that. I did that already, but repetitio mater studiorum est, so I will gladly. Is this I? Uh, yeah, it is. I think I will remap something because insert everywhere is this unhandy, unwieldy. It is alt insert, and for me that is free keystroke. So I will do it to alt E, alt I. I will reconfigure it. So there's a key map section over here, and I want alt I think, and that here is run scratch file is Control Alt W. So it looks like nothing stopping me, and I do that was Alt insert. Okay, it doesn't work as I was hoping for. Insert, insert, insert. Toggle, insert, live template, shortcut. Okay, so this does not look like. How is it called? How is it called? Is it insert? It's new. It's new. Okay. Here is new, and if I go here, like for example here, and I press that shortcut in here, it is generate. So it's generate and new. So I'm searching for those two. So first I will say generate, and here we go. This is Alt plus insert. That's exactly what I want to. Okay, so and I will assign the new uh, add keyboard shortcut, and it will be Alt I. Yeah, okay, that should work. And then it is new, and it is new module, new project, new something, scratch file. So that is something else. And where is it? It has a shortcut. Alt plus insert. Can I search it like such? So if I do Alt plus insert, no, it doesn't work. That was new, definitely it was new. So we'll go there. New line, that is not it. What is this? Find actions by shortcut. Oh, cool. So I will do that. And it will be this guy. No, sorry. This guy. Okay. So Alt insert, there is a new ID customization, okay, and a new folder. So we will modify all of them. This will be add keyboard shortcut, Alt I. Yes, sir. Okay, and here, yeah, just find that. And there is new folder. Okay, this will be also Alt I. Okay. Uh, this is already assigned to another. Nah, no, I think I'm fine. I think I'm fine. There was Alt insert, right? Or was it not? Um, cancel if I do reset and try to find it. Find those. Ah, crap. Here we go. So this is alt insert, this is alt insert, this is alt insert. So yeah, I want to edit. Add a keyboard shortcut. Alt I. Okay. Then I will find another one. Same. Come on. Here we go. Uh, Alt insert, and this one will be Alt I as well. Add keyboard shortcut, Alt I. Okay, that leave leave it. It's okay. Don't worry about it. And now I do another Alt insert, and I will add Alt I. Add keyboard shortcut, Alt I. Okay, and we will leave it, and we will apply it, and we will okay. And now if I do that, okay, this works here, it works here, and I'm golden. So we will go here and insert uh, S CSS. Okay, SASS. Um, can I create a new edit file templates? Good. And we will do, oh, that is React. And okay, can I add code, default files, and we will say, what is it? Like, for example, CSS style. Well, what does it do? And there's like no settings. Variable date, die, or whatever. Where do I, like, okay, there's a code, there's other, and if I have a file template and I want to do, how do I specify, like, okay, so create template insert. Oh, extension. Cool. So this will be S STSS. It will be uh, oh, it's here. It's here already. So cancel. I go here. I do. What the hell? Edit file templates, and there should be. I do that, and I do SASS file. Now go cancel. How this works? How does this work? If I do STSS, nothing. If I do SASS, nothing. But if I do edit templates, I kind of see it there, right? It was there. SASS file. Reformatted. Enable live templates. Okay. And maybe this one too. Enable live templates. Apply. And now if I do Alt insert and do SASS, nothing happens. STSS. Okay, it's beyond me. Maybe a restart. So this will be variables dot SCSS, like so, and please edit. Thank you. So the variables, how they are done. So they are at the beginning. They have a dollar sign, and this will be my variable. My variable, and this will be okay. My variable is stupid. I will do my color. My color. Okay. My color implicitly imported. I did it like multiple times. So my color 1 to 3 or my color 4 this will be, because we are in the fourth chapter. And this will be, I don't know, orange, orange, okay. Do I have a color chooser or something like that? Uh, color, change color, color scheme, show color picker. Okay. Do I have like this, that? Okay, cancel. I don't know how this works. And then I will say body, and here I will say background color, and that will be my, oh, I need to use the dollar sign again, so it will be my color 4, and now I will have, well, I would like to say beautiful, it will be orange. Background, and here I will do insert, and that will be HTML file, and that will be variables, like so. Yes, please edit variables. And here we will insert the translated CSS. And that should be enough. Now I try to view it, and it should be orange. And it is, so it works. Hooray. This is how the variables works. So there's a variable name, there's a value, and there's like multiple things. You can store anything in there. So I say I will create font sizes and redefine few of the headings. Yeah, so or classes. Yeah, we do classes. So I go here now to our variables SCSS, and I will define uh, uh, small 4 small 4, and that will be 10 pixels. Then we will have a medium 4, and that will be okay, let's do 20 pixels, and then I will have a big, not bug, big, and that will be 30 pixels. Okay, then I will create a styles, and this will be a class of, and this will be small, and this will be text size, I think. Size, I don't know how it was. Font size, thank you, sir. Font dash size, and that will be small 4, and I'll copy you, duplicate, and you will be medium. This will be dollar sign medium 4. Then I will go here to uh, come on, yeah. Here that will be big. Uh, Big, and here this will be dollar big 4. I will change it to, oh, if I have a big here, I wonder if I can rename the variable, and I will say big 4 and do refactor, and it changes it. Okay, cool. My music stopped. That's something we don't like. So I'll play it again. And uh, so, so this will file apparently. Div IntelliJ. Thou do not like each other. Or maybe it's the combination of IntelliJ and YouTube. Executing. Okay, this is ridiculous. Maybe I cannot play on the YouTube. Probably I have to download my favorite songs or play it somewhere else and go from there. So Are you on right now? No. What about now? Div. Okay, it works. Some text, and we will duplicate it 3 times. And then I will do the magic of assigning the class. And the first one will be small. Then I will go here, and the class will be medium. And then I go to the next thing, and that will be class equal to, and this will be big. Okay, so I have that, and that hopefully will change the font size. So we will go to our beautiful orange page, which is over here, reload it, and hopefully see the different changes of the text. And here it is. That is a proof. So what we did the variables and that. So then we didn't even finish that. Oh my God, I'm so slow. So this is a syntax, this is the output, and the variable scope. So this is interesting. SASS variables are only available at the level of nesting where they are defined. Look at the following example. With my color. Okay, so there's a red, and then my color is green, and the color. Okay. I like that. So, we will. This is important stuff. So this I will code, and you know what? I should stick to the time. So. Uh, I will say what is next into my uh, MD file, and we will go from there. So I switch to the MD file, and next will be says variable scopes, and it is in says variables. So variables, save it. I will add those two guys to the project. They are our citizens now. Oh, I didn't have to. They are kind of generated, right? The CSS and oh well, they are there. And I do commit. I do commit. I did that, and I will say variables in progress, like so, and commit. I will have a look if we have a remote for this project, and we do. So we will push it, and that will be it for us. Everything's so slow, so slow. Okay, push. And with that, we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.